keep these pages locked away. Words I never learned to say. Your name still hangs here in the air, like smoke from fires that aren't there. Why does silence feel so loud when your memory comes around? All these things I should have done, all these wars I never won. There's a thunder rolling through my mind tonight. Electric storms are what we left behind. You were lightning, I was standing still. Two hearts that never learned to feel the same rhythm, the same time. Now you're just a distant, distant thunder in my mind. Same rhythm, same time. Like a distant thunder in my mind. I trace the outline of your face in every empty, quiet place. The way you laughed when no one heard, the weight behind your softer words. Why does silence feel so loud when your memory comes around? All these things I should have done, all these wars I never won. There's a thunder rolling through my mind tonight. Electric storms are what we left behind. You were lightning, I was standing still. Two hearts that never learned to feel the same rhythm, same time. Now you're just a distant, distant thunder in my mind. Same rhythm, same time. Like a distant thunder in my mind. If I could rewind the tape, take back every small mistake, tell you everything I meant before the moment came and went. But time moves like a river flows, and what was real nobody knows. There's a thunder rolling through my mind tonight. Electric storms are what we left behind. You were lightning, I was standing still. Two hearts that never learned to feel the same rhythm, the same time. Now you're just a distant, distant from my in the distant thunder, you're still here. The same rhythm, the same time. Like a distant thunder.